Yeah. Hey, yo. Yo, and most times I'm the most strong. I'm the rock, the spot you get to pull from. I mostly cope with hopes that's been rolled on. And when you're low, you know that you can hold on. Me in a heartbeat, I can be there. The fears and tears you cry, I'm by your side. So dry your eyes and let me provide peace of mind in time. I know you'll be fine, and if it's heartbreak, I can take some off your plate. Replace the lies and hate with smiles and faith. You fall deep, I can fall with you. The dark is a familiar place. You lost, I can help you escape. It was my fate and pain, so I can relate. Now when you can't even stand, I can handle the weight. I'll be your shoulder for as long as I can. But where's the shoulder from my shoulder when I can't?
The one you can count on the most.
If you know it, sing along, guys. If you know it.
And when the road is dark, no, I'll bear the load. You never see the days when I fall down to my knees, yeah. None of you will know that sometimes I need a shoulder to lean on.
That was just a little introduction.
Give it up for Hater.
That was, we actually have a bunch of versions of that song, and we're just going to kind of put them together tonight.
Break it down.
We're going to switch up. We're going to do another version. It's a little bit more somber. Same track. Here we go.
Most times I'm the most strong. I'm the rock, the spot she gets support from. Mostly cope with host that's been rolled on. And when you're low, you know that you can hold on. Me in a heartbeat, I can be there. Fears and tears you crying by your side to dry your eyes. And let me provide peace of mind in time. I know you'll be fine. And if it's heartbreak, I can take some off your plate. Replace the lies and the hate with smiles and faith. You fall deep, you fall with you. Dark is a familiar place. You're lost, I can help you escape. It was my fate,
Pain,
so I can relate. And when you can't even stand, I can handle the weight. I'll be your shoulder for as long as I can. It was my shoulder. And sometimes I need all I need. Shoulder to lean. Sometimes I need.
Yo, I need a shoulder to
Sometimes
lean
I
on.
need all I need. Shoulder to lean. Sometimes I need.
Yo.
Oh,
And sometimes it's really hard to be this invincible figure you figure me to be. Cause I can feel the pain, and when I'm cut I bleed. It's mostly inside, but Lord knows I cry. I don't lie, I just keep it bottled inside. I meet your eyes with a smile and you think I'm alive, but I'm alive. Cause I can feel like you can feel with emotion still, though it don't show, it's real. Conceal where my heart cries. I fall apart in the dark at the spot where my thoughts lie. I thought I was strong as it come. I thought I was numb. My thoughts and my heart overrun. As I wonder, can I make it through? When is the one coming soon that's gonna hold me, console me? Or was it something meant to be? And that shoulder for a shoulder wasn't meant for me, I guess.
Sometimes I need.
Yo, I need a shoulder
Sometimes
to
I
lean on.
need all I need. Shoulder to lean. Sometimes I
Yeah, I need a shoulder to
lean
lean
on
on.
me. Lean on me. Oh, lean on me. Yeah. Lean on me when you can't take anymore. Oh, and you can't take anymore.
a shoulder to lean, and most times I'm the most strong. I'm the rock, the spot you get support from. I mostly cope with hopes that's been rolled on. Yeah, when you're low, you know that you can hold on me.
Thank you very much. Jazakallah.
We got one more? No? Yeah? No?
I think they're trying to kick us off. What do you guys think? Do we have one more
track?
song?
One more track. One more. Unless it's Dawood after us.
All right, they're giving us
Shorten
2
it.
more minutes. All right, without much further ado, this next song is called Palestine.
We're gonna do it or what? I don't know.
All right. They're rushing us, folks. They're rushing.